welcome to a new episode of Crypto Milad with a fresh Monday episode. Guys, we have good news. Bitcoin is doing something. Bitcoin is doing something, guys. That's good to see. I was waiting for it the Monday that it should happen something in the market. So let's go take a look at the Bitcoin price, guys, because it's getting interesting. It's getting better and better. How more farther we go into October, how more excited I get, because I really expect like the Bitcoin will go up in the upcoming time. Like I told you guys yesterday in the Sunday episode, maybe the first 2 weeks of October it will not be so good, because in the history of Bitcoin, the first 2 weeks it's most weak 2 weeks of October, but the last 2 weeks, guys, it have some firework normally, and we continue with November and December. So for all the crypto investors, I think we are in a very good time now for the upcoming months, so we can make some happy, good episodes, guys, because that's what I like to do. That everybody make profit and we protect our money and we go out the market at the right moment, and we're gonna discuss this kind of things in all our episodes, and we try to make the best of it. So guys, let's go to the real work. Let's go to the Bitcoin charts. Just first of all, like you guys know, a little sip of the coffee for fresh energy to go check the charts, guys. What I love to do. And more when the price goes up, guys. Guys, we are still with the weekly Bitcoin chart. We are still in the downward sloping channel. That didn't change yet. I will say yet, because there is something coming, I think. So we are in this downward sloping channel with lower lows and lower highs, guys. And until this structure doesn't change, we stay in this downward sloping channel. So let's see what will happen. Let's see what it will bring us the upcoming weeks, because it will be exciting weeks, guys, for the Bitcoin. Time wise looking, we are in an exciting 3 months, last of the year, the end of the year. Normally when you bet of the end of the year, 9 of the 10 times you are in the good position. So let's hope, guys, that we are in the good position. But I will say you something. It doesn't matter in this channel. It doesn't matter which side Bitcoin goes. We make just our decisions based on our plan. So let that be very clear, guys. Like, I'm not of hoping. I'm not of gambling. I try to really make a plan and be prepared for all kinds of situations what can happen in the market, because the market gamers, guys, they didn't make it easy the last year. Like if you was an average trader and you trade with your emotions, I think you had a very hard year the last year, because it was not easy. That the things changed, the way of what Bitcoin goes up and down change. The markets changed, guys. The market makers, I think they had some idea of, okay, this getting too easy, this getting too predictable, so let's change the structure. And I saw a lot of big traders, they get a little bit frustrated, because they came in situations that they didn't had before, so they become a little bit, like, how you can say, less happy, because they could not predict the market like before, like they could the past years. But guys, in this game, you need to change. You need to be water. Water changes in each moment and in each time and in each situation. And I think it's a nice thing to say that we are the water of the market. So we can make a plan. We can look what happened and just act on it. So let's don't be some trader that's just see the market in one way, or let's be open-minded in the game and let's do it a way that we can make some good profits. So okay, guys, enough about that. let's go to the weekly chart. So the weekly charts, what I told you guys, it's going still downwards. We need to break the 66,500. We need to have one close above the 66,500 to confirm the bullish confirmation. What I told you guys yesterday, that I will tell it in the 1 hour charts, because in the 4 hour charts, because we can see it there better, or maybe even the daily charts we can see it better, what happened at the 64k a couple hours ago. Because I expected that we didn't go through in one go through 64k, like I said yesterday. That will be some bears waiting at the 64k door. That it will make it hard for the bulls to go in once through it. So the bulls trying to push it up, that's very nice, but we still need to be a little bit cautious, guys. We still didn't break the 64k, and that was the first little ant boss, and the big ant boss is this downward sloping channel that's now at 66,500. Let's say one candle we need to close above it to really change the structure, guys. Let's go to the indicators. The indicators, it looks at the MACD, and the MACD, the red line and the green line, the green line and the red line it's coming more nearby. That's a good sign. And let's see if the green line can go through the red line. If that happens, guys, probably we are also breaking this downward sloping channel, and that's double confirmation, guys. That's double confirmation. What I really like always to be double convert or triple convert in my plan when I go inside a trade. So let's see if that both happen. That's for me a perfect buy. So let's see, the CMF, cash money flow, it's going up again a little bit. The RSI, let's go. It's good. It's at least it's going like upwards again. It's not like here that it went downwards. It's going upwards again. And let's see if we can break this high of 56.30, and then let's see if we can higher, guys. At least we are above the yellow average line here. That's also a good sign. Okay, let's go at the 4 days, guys. The 4 days, guys, it's looking like we are found support at 60k. Let's see if we can break the 64k. If we can break the 64k, then the next station, the next problem, let's say for the bulls, the next obstacle, it's this point, what's now around 66,500. We need to have at least one close 4-day, one 4-day close candle above this downwards trend line. So if we have one close above it, and that can happen already in 3 days, that can happen, but let's see. It's possible, but let's see when it happens, and then we make our plan in that moment. But what I can tell you guys, one close above this line, it's for me that I go inside the market personally, because that's for me a confirmation. Okay, let's see what the indicators show us. The indicators show us that the MACD, it looks good. The CMF can be a little bit more stronger. It can go a little bit more up. Like if we break this point, then it looks more better, but it's not bad. It's not bad. It's at least we are above the 0 line. And like if you look like this, then we are in upwards movement. The RSI, it looks fine. It looks fine at the moment. So let's see if we can break the 64k. That's now the question, guys. The 64k need to be broken. We are now exactly at 63,639. So we are not so far again to retest the 64k, because We went until the 60, I think exactly $2 less. Let's say 64K, and we directly was rejected at 64K because I told you guys, a lot of smart traders, a lot of big traders are waiting at 64K because they know there is some turbulence there, what can bring the price a little bit back. Okay, let's go to the 1-day chart so we can see the things more clearly. The 1-day chart, it looks quite good because we have like here a green star and the MRI count. The MRI count, I will explain it once. Like it's an indicator from Tom DeMark. It's an old trader, and Tom Face. It's also a good trader. What I respect. He changed this MRI count, and I like this MRI count to always like. I just don't look it only, but it's just a confirmation. It's just always a confirmation what it gives. It counts candles down and up until the 9, and when you have 9 upwards candles or 9 downwards candles, then you get like some kind of buy MRI buy or MRI sell, what not always happened, but when it happened, normally it's a good confirmation. But I don't just count on the MRI count. I look at many other factors also, what for me is important. I prefer to have 3-4 confirmations than only 1 or 2, of course. Okay, so the daily, guys, it need to break the 64K. It need to break this line. If we break this line, then the next point is 66K, around 66K. Then we need to have one close above 66. So we have one close above this previous high. And from there, we need to have 2 or 3 closes above this line, which you see. So above 66, at least 66K. If we have 3 closes above 66K, then we get also the 4 days close above it. And then for me, guys, I'm inside the market then, because that's for me a perfect moment to go inside. Let's see how the MACD looks. The MACD looks that at the daily, and that the green line want to cross the red line, what always is a good bullish confirmation. The CMF, it went down and it going a little bit up again, but I prefer that it go more up. It's not super strong yet, but it can come. The RSI, it looks like it's crossing the average, the yellow line, and we are moving up. So that's also a good sign, guys. Let's go to the 4 days charts to see it even more clear. I will close this, guys, then you can see it a little bit better. And zoom a little bit for you guys. Because when you watch it in the mobile, it's always more little and it's more difficult to see the charts. Like the 4 hour, guys, the 4 hour, like 8 hours, let's say 5-6 hours before we went until this almost 64, where we get rejected and we pulled back to 63,500. That's not such a big pullback, and you see that the bulls again trying with the two next candles, they try to push it up, so it didn't went again down. It's the bulls holding here strong, and it seems like they will try the second try to break the 64K. And guys, if the 64K is broken, then we get really at exciting moments, because the next point is 66K, what's just 2K from 64K, and that's not a lot. So that means that we're gonna retest a super interesting point, guys, a point that's very important, that we holding for 7 months. So you need to see it. That's why I say it's very exciting moments now. We are almost reaching in time wise half October, end October, what's already a big sign that we will time wise that we need to break it. Like nothing is 100%, guys, but it's like a big probability. You need to count, you need to work in probability, and what's higher probability, that's the strategy. So this point, guys, this is that's why I call it the end boss, because it's 7 months that Bitcoin came until the line 66K, like before it was not 60k because it goes down and down, but I mean this downwards line, trending line, it's already 4 5 6 times tested, and 6 times the bulls were defeated there. So they will try it now for I don't know for how many times, but we're gonna try it again, and let's see if we can break it this time. I give it a big chance that if we come near the line that we can. There are two scenarios if we come near this line, or we break uh, in one big candle through it, and then it's over, guys. Then we go up. Then really the Bitcoin price, expect big prices, guys. It can then go easy to 100k, and it can go fast. So put your seatbelts, guys, because I know if you break this point and it takes 7 months, then people get crazy. People get enthusiastic. People get bullish. People get FOMO, and then, guys, the market starts to get some fire under it, and it can really go like a rocket. And that's also what I expect. So I will keep a near close eye on it. At this point, so I can also keep, if something happen, guys, normally I make daily content, but if something very important happen, make sure you subscribe and you hit the bell, because if something important happen, guys, I will directly make extra video, a bonus video for all the subscribers, for all our subscribers, so directly they can move fast. That's important sometimes in the market, to make fast decisions and don't be too late. So I will really keep an eye on it, and when something happen, guys, then will be an extra episode to keep everybody up to date about the price and what will happen, because it's an important moment, guys. Okay, so the 4 hours, it looks good. It looks like we will try to break the 64k, and let's see what the bulls have in the house here, you guys. What we can do. The CMF, it looks good. The MACD looks good. The RSI looks good, better than the 1 day. Let's go to the 1 hour, guys. The 1 hour, yeah, like you see, we need to break this point. We need to have one close above the 64k, guys. One close above the 64k, and we are ready to retest the end boss at 66k, guys. And this is now a support at 62k. If we break 62k, if we go down and we break 62k, it will be a little bit a little problem, because then Bitcoin looks a lot weaker, and we can maybe then go make a fast retest at 58k. What will also be nice, because then we can buy it for cheaper, guys. Then we can buy for cheaper prices. The MACD, it looks like it goes a little bit down, so maybe we can make a little down movement. It's possible, maybe at the moving averages at the 20, or if not at here at 62,500, but it don't need to really happen. Let's see when the stock market opens in that half hour, 1.5 hour, like around 6 5 6 hours, the stock market opens, and then let's see what happened. If that's good news, then I think we're gonna push through the 64k. If that's bad news, maybe we can go to 62k and found there some support, and if not, we can find support at 60, at this red line here, guys, at 62k. If we break 62k, then we need to change all the scenarios, because then all the plan what we are talking about, the 64k breaking up and the bullish scenario will be very different, because then we need to look again at the bearish scenario. So that's why I say, guys, we need to be comfortable. We need to be comfortable, and we need to look the market at the moment, and see what's the best decision to make at the moment. I think that's all what's trading about, and that's what I like to share you guys in my channel. With my 10-year experience in the market, I like to share the good things, the important things with the beginners, that they can protect better their money. Nothing in this channel, guys, is financial advice. Just, I think if you listen good to this channel and you follow it, you can learn a lot for all the mistakes what I made in the past, and all the things what I learned. I think I can really learn you guys a lot of good things. The way how you need to look the market, because it's not just trading, like, guys. Trading, it's life. How you are in life, that's how you are in trading. and you need to be sometimes very cautious. You need to have patience. You need to not be too hungry. What I really see in the most traders, they are too hungry. They go too fast with each wind they go. They have a different opinion, because like sometimes, guys, you need just when you maybe sometimes you see the market a little bit up, but there are some obstacles above, then you need to be a little bit more patient. The market doesn't go away, guys. The Bitcoin will stay, the market will stay, everything will stay. Just you need to make the good decisions. Don't make too fast decisions. Don't make stupid decisions in the market, because you're gonna lose your money to the big hands, guys. And the big hands, they know quite good what they do. They don't trade with emotions. They don't have emotions. They have a plan. That's what I try to tell you. Like, you will never know exactly what a market will do. You can never know that. You can guess, but you can never 100% know that. So what you should do, you should make a good edge. Your edge need to be in your profit, in your that it's good for you, that it's not that when you make 100 trades that you have some profit. Even if you lose 20 or 30, you still need to have a profit. So that's why I say you need to have a good edge in the market, and that's very important, guys. Guys, I think that's enough for Bitcoin, and I hope you guys had something about this analyze from the Bitcoin. Let's go, guys. Like, take a look to our favorite son, Hoppy, guys. Hoppy Army, guys. Hoppy, it's going up. Hoppy, it's going great. What we expected. It's went through the 173. What the last time was a little problem, but we went through it, and guys, we are near the all-time highs, and it's very good. That's very exciting, guys. Let's go to the daily chart. In the daily chart, you can see it even better. The daily chart here, we break this line. When we break this line on 171, that's why I told you guys, each little pullback, it's a good buy moment, because the probability, it's so big that hope you're gonna break the all-time high. It's really, really big probability, and I think it's a really nice coin. It's like I really like this coin. It's now at what market cap it's Hoppy now? I think at 30 million, around 30 million. Let me take a look. About no, 75 million. Sorry, I was confused with the other coin. 75 million. It's now the market cap of Hoppy. So soon we are at 100 million, guys. And when we reach the 100 million, it means we're gonna break the all-time high. When the market cap is 100 million, it means we broke the all-time high of Hoppy. And I told you guys, when we break the all-time high of Hoppy, then Hoppy, it has no limit anymore. It can go to the sky, guys. That's the moment that this coin can go 20 times, 50 times, 100 times. Who knows what it brings us, guys. But this is definitely not a moment with Hoppy to go outside the market. It's just that's why I told you last time. It's I don't gonna sell the Hoppy anymore, because now it breaks also this support at 170. Guys, this coin is gonna break the all-time high, guys. The probability, it's so big that it's now gonna break the all-time high, and when it breaks the all-time high, it can make a big move, guys. So prepared for all the Hoppy fans, for all the Hoppy believers, the Hoppy army. I think we're gonna have a great last 3 months of the year, a great Q4, guys. Maybe we can celebrate the new year with some good Hoppy gains. So that will be great, guys. So yeah, so no pullback for the people that didn't buy in. Maybe you can buy in at when it breaks the all-time high. It's still not bad, but of course it's better when you could buy a little bit more down. That's why I say try to buy the pullbacks, guys. I did it by myself. I bought some pullbacks. It was not much, but like you can make like 10 steps, and you each time buy a little bit and see how far it goes, and in one time it pump up and you have all your money back. That's like a good strategy. That's a good edge. Like, if you guys don't know what's the edge, an edge is a plan how you can make more money in the long term in 100 or 200 or 500 trades. So it need to have some plan behind it. Like, that's the edge, that in long term it makes you win more than you lose, because that's what's all about, guys. If you want to be doing trading for life, it doesn't matter if you this week have profit and the next week not. It doesn't matter if you if you count all the year that you had the profit, and if you count 3 years that you had profit, that you have profit. So that's important. So hope you guys, I will say, be happy and put your seatbelts because firework is coming, guys, for Hoppy. Let's take a look at couple altcoins more. Here we have like Ape. Ape, it's like it's not going good with the Ape coin. I don't know if you remember this coin, the Ape coin, where the NFT was the hype, the past bull market. But this Ape coin until now, it's really going up in the going down in the weekly. It went at most at 4.8. It's now already. Let's see. Put control. It's up 77% since the low. Yeah, that's not bad. 77 or almost 80% from this low of 5 August. Yeah, this coin, I think it's worth at least one. It should at least be $1. But yeah, what's the range like until $1? That's not so much anymore. That's like a 25%. I think there is better chances in the market than at this moment the ape coin. Like Link, guys, it was two bull markets before. Like let's say in 2018, Link was really a nice coin. What I remembered, and it went so much more up than other coins, and that's in that time period that it made its name. Just now, it doesn't look so strong anymore. It's like going up, but people doesn't have so much trust anymore, and it's a great project. Link, it's not such a scam coin. It's a coin, there is some ID behind it, there is something behind it, and let's see if it ever breaks this 22,778. Maybe when Bitcoin go to 100k it can happen, and then from there let's see what it can bring us. But the support, you see at the weekly, it's at 614 if you look at the weekly. But what will happen, of course, because if this go to six euro, it means Bitcoin will make a crash. Like for example, if Bitcoin goes to 40k, then I see definitely Link going to $6 or even less. But if Bitcoin is going up, guys, then all the altcoins, it will fly. Alt season, let's say alt season will be with us. Maybe a lot of this people that are now in the market, they came to a couple past years in the market, they really didn't see a real bull market in the altcoins. That was in 2018, guys. In 2018, 2019, there came a alt season, guys. All the coins went up like crazy. You didn't need to be a trader in that moment. You just need to put your money in something, and you see it going up and up and up and up and up by each day, and it was really crazy. I hope for the new traders, and also for the old traders, of course, that these times come back. And I see this happen when Bitcoin will break 100k. Then, guys, we are in the right market, and everybody that was not in the Bitcoin, that was not in the crypto market, they will FOMO in, and they will really FOMO in, and they will be jealous, and they will have regret that they didn't went more early inside the market. Because when people talk bad about Bitcoin, nobody looks to Bitcoin. But when they see FOMO, when they see some all-time highs breaking, then guys, it's just human nature that people get greedy. People are very greedy creatures, guys. The humans are very greedy, so you can play on that. You need to participate. Like, you need to really have a plan, guys. You cannot be the average person in trading, because the average person trades with emotions, and they will lose their money because of all these emotions, what they have inside it. Like, they look too much to the money part. a good trader, guys, it doesn't look to the money part. Like money, it's a part of it. It will come, but the most important is that you make your trades in a good way. So don't look too much at the amount what you have. Look more about how you're trading. It's going up in the long term. That's the most. If that's okay, then don't worry, guys. Everything will go up in the long term. You don't need to look at. It's the same like when you have a company and you look too much to the. You are just focused on the money. Like mostly it doesn't go well. It goes well when you have love for the company and you put a lot of effort in it and you do smart things and you do it with love. Then you see automatically the money will come in your life. And I think that's also exactly with trading like this. You need to have love for the trading and you need to do it in a right way. Don't be emotional, guys. Turbo is also some meme coin, guys. Turbo, let's see what is now the market cap of Turbo. It's a lot more than Hoppy because Turbo it's 400 million, guys. That's around 5 times more than the Hoppy market cap. It looks good, Turbo. It looks good. It can bring some crazy, but Turbo comes already from very, very low prices, guys. That's what I telling. Like, I prefer to put my money personally in Hoppy than in Turbo because Turbo it's already in a phase that Hoppy will be in a couple months, and then I prefer to be in Hoppy because there is a lot more probability to win. And with Turbo you have also a big chance that it falls down because it already come from so high, and if it goes up it will not go so much up as Hoppy, unless of course they make some crazy exchange, they put in a crazy exchange like maybe Binance, and okay, then we can go up, but it's not there yet for Turbo. But it's not it's looking strong. Like, it's looking strong. It looks like it will go up. Just how much it can go up, that's the question. Okay, guys, I think for today it was good. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you like the episode, please put a like so we can help more subscribers to learn in the trading, and maybe together we can have a great bull market, guys. I'm really excited about this 3 months what will coming. We will make great content for you guys, so make sure you don't miss the episodes. I wish you all a great, fantastic Monday, and I see you all, guys, tomorrow. If something great or special happens, then I will even make extra episode. Have a great Monday, guys. Ciao, Crypto Milad.
Sink to swim. I've carried the slide, but you won't give, so I won't fight.